CMurder's story isn't just about music or family ties. It's one of the longest, most debated legal sagas in hip-hop history, and it's still not resolved in the court of public opinion. Sit back and lock in. CMurder, born Corey Miller and known as Master P's cousin, rose out of New Orleans as a raw, uncompromising voice during the No Limit era. While Master P built an empire, CMurder carved a darker lane. Street-heavy records that reflected the tension and reality of his environment. But in 2002, everything changed. That year, CMurder was arrested and charged with second-degree murder in connection with the shooting death of a 16-year-old named Steve Thomas at a New Orleans nightclub. Prosecutors alleged CMurder was the shooter. From the start, the case was controversial. The defense argued there was no physical evidence tying him to the crime, and that the prosecution relied heavily on witness testimony that later came into question. In 2003, CMurder was convicted and sentenced to life in prison. That conviction was later overturned due to issues involving the handling of witnesses. In 2009, he was retried, convicted again, and once more sentenced to life. Since then, the case has gone through years of appeals, motions, and legal challenges, with the defense repeatedly pointing to recanted testimony, alleged witness coercion, and claims that key evidence was unreliable. One of the most significant aspects of this case is the ongoing argument that witnesses were pressured or incentivized to testify against CMurder. Several individuals have since claimed their original statements were false or influenced. Despite these claims, courts have largely upheld the conviction, ruling that the legal standards for overturning the verdict were not met. CMurder remains incarcerated today, while supporters, including Master P, continue to publicly advocate for his release, arguing that the case represents a miscarriage of justice. Petitions, legal filings, and renewed attention have kept the case alive in public discourse, even as the courts have remained firm. Pause right here. If you value real context over rumors, hit that like. We're blowing up fast because real ones recognize the work ethic it takes to unpack cases this complex without sensationalizing them. This case matters because it sits at the intersection of hip-hop, the criminal justice system, and generational impact. Whether people believe CMurder is innocent or guilty, the length, reversals, and controversy surrounding this case raise serious questions about witness reliability and long-term incarceration. Before you go, smash that like, comment what part of this case you find most troubling, and share this. Help us push these stories to the top so real hip-hop history is explained with clarity, accuracy, and respect, not speculation. Hyper Real Hood Stories. We follow the full story,